Today, I'll show you how to create a professional letterhead using Microsoft Word and Canva. Let's dive right in. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Webserve Global, where we bring you easy and creative tips to level up your professional and personal skills. This video is available in Hindi, English, and Bangla. For other languages, please visit the description and comment section. So, let's get started. First, head over to canva.com and sign in. In the search bar at the top, type letterhead and press enter. Canva will display a variety of pre-made templates for you to choose from. Select any template that suits your needs. Now, let's customize it to match your company's branding. Start by renaming the design with your company name. Next, update the font style, size, and color if needed. Add your slogan or tagline and align it perfectly with the company name. Canva makes it easy to adjust text alignment for a polished look. Now, let's replace the placeholder logo with your company's logo. Go to the Uploads tab and upload your logo, or choose one from Canva's library if it's already there. Once uploaded, drag the logo onto the design, position it in the header section, and align it with the other elements to maintain consistency. After finishing the header, scroll down to the footer section. Here, we'll customize the footer to include your contact details. I'll keep the existing footer design, but add a few important elements like the mobile number, email address, website, and office address. Let's start by dragging a phone icon from the Elements tab and placing it on the left side of the footer. Then, add your mobile number and replace the placeholder text with the actual details. Align everything neatly. Next, drag an email icon and place it below the phone icon. Add your email ID, replace the placeholder, and align it properly. For the address, drag an address icon and text block. Replace the placeholder address with the actual one and align it with the rest of the footer elements. Finally, let's add your website. To do this, right-click on the email text and select Duplicate. Drag the duplicated text to position it above the email now. Go back to the Elements tab, search for a website icon and add it to the design. Once everything is added, it's time to give your work a final touch. Adjust the alignment of all elements to ensure everything looks balanced and professional. You can also experiment with font sizes, colors, and spacing to suit your preferences. And that's it. Your custom letterhead is ready to download and use. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips. Thank you for watching us. See you in the next video.